When it comes to root exposure and sensitivity, what options do you give your patients? Silver, especially nano silver, has so much great research to help with root sensitivity and can easily be applied chairside. However, many patients and clinicians haven't been using silver in their practice due to the potential of staining surfaces. Have you noticed this as well? That's why we're so excited to try this new product from Young Specialties, ClearDefense. It utilizes nano silver for sensitivity, but it does not cause staining with the placement. Here are the placement steps. Number 1, dispense 1 to 2 drops. This should be enough liquid to place about 8 teeth. Then you're going to polish the areas with a non-fluoridated paste like pumice. Apply any kind of barriers. They can be minimal. Then dry the area with lots of air. Apply ClearDefense with a micro brush and allow the area to dry before the patient closes, which is about 5 minutes. And that is it. You can reapply in 1 to 2 weeks if the patients need it, but usually one application is enough for patients to notice a big difference in their root sensitivity. To learn more, definitely check out the Young Specialties website in the bio.